In this section, I'm going to walk you through your brand kit. So you'll want to go ahead and click on the brand kit button over on your menu. This is going to take you to the place where you have universal settings for all of your videos. So you're able to upload your brand logo here. You're able to select brand colors here. If you'd like to change the colors at any time, you can also do that by simply clicking on a color. You can use a color menu chooser here. You're able to type in a custom code if you have custom brand colors, and then you would just hit done to update, and you can do that for 2 brand colors here. You're also able to update the fonts that you would like. And again, these are settings that will be applied when you go to your product catalog and you see all the videos when you first log into your dashboard. These are automatic settings that will be applied to all of your videos. So to change a font, you simply select font here. And then to change it, you would just go through the menu. And once you find one that you love, you can just click on it and it will then put that font here. You have 2 brand font choices in your brand kit menu. Then you can go ahead and head over to the signature side. And what this is where you have your branding. You have the option to put it at the beginning of the video, the end of the video, or both. We like to have it selected here at the end, just so that the products start in the very beginning of the video with no fluff at the beginning, but this is completely up to you. So if you would like to turn it on at the beginning, you would just simply toggle the button here. And then what you would do is select this drop-down menu, and you have the option to select your logo only to be shown, your logo and your website, or your website only. And we have selected here the logo and website under website/promotion. So you can change the text here in the promotion to whatever you'd like it to say. This button, this shows up a little bit above your website at the end of the videos. So you can change the text there. We're going to just go ahead and say shop at, and then it'll have the website. And again, you can type in your website name there and save. And these are the settings that will be applied to all of your videos by default. And you can customize each individual video as we've showed you in our video customizations tutorial.